Oh, there we go, cooking general. Hey, y'all coming back quicker than y'all thought I did then. Hey, but I want to let y'all know a little something, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to tell you a little story, and I'm going to cook something for you too. But it really made me get to thinking about my grandfather, and I'm going to do, he used to do this spicy meat pie, and it was so good. And he used to always use this here. He used to always use this knife to cut his sausages up with. It's an old time knife, and I still got it. And I'm going to clean it up, and I'm going to sharpen it, and I'm going to use it for this recipe. Like this here. And he made this here himself. But anyway, man, I'm going to show you how to make that spicy meat pie now. One thing I need to tell you though, now, because it was spicy, because he used to like spicy food, you ain't got to use all this spicy stuff that I'm going to put in there, but I'm using the original recipe followed him. Aside the cheese part, because he used goat cheese. But other than that there, everything is by the book. Now, come and let me show you how you make that together. Now, check it out here. Now, for your seasoning, you're going to need cayenne pepper, red pepper, salt, Worcestershire sauce, chili powder. Now, you're going to use some dry mustard, some oregano. Now, we're also going to use some tomato sauce. Now, we're going to make our dough. We're going to need our flour, our cornmeal, our eggs, milk. Now, we're also going to add kidney beans and corn to it. Now, we're going to use cheese on this here too. We're going to top it with cheese. Now, I got some mild cheddar, but look here, I got that government cheese. Now, y'all know about it. Some of y'all viewers ain't going to know about this here. We use these sandwiches all the time with this kind of cheese. I was lucky to find a woman who can give me some of this here. That's that gut. So you already know, boy. Hey, you better take a laxative before you eat that. But anyway, vegetables, we got jalapenos, green onions, and a white onion. Now, the meats, we're going to use, this here is a jalapeno smoked sausage. We're going to have to top it with bacon. And we got about a pound, 2 pounds of ground beef. Oh, let me, spank them right there. Boy, hey, we finna get down. I'm gonna put this together. You know, I'm gonna put it in a pie pan. I'm gonna make my dough and shape it. Hey, y'all gonna really like this here. But you know, it got me thinking, you know what I'm saying? This night got me thinking of my grandfather. And I had to really think, you know what I'm saying? Because I had a dream about him last night. And he's, I mean, my grandfather was very poor. And he was homeless for the longest. And I remember when he met my grandmother, he told her, you know what I'm saying? She liked him the way he looked, but he was just homeless, you know? And she went up to him, you know, and he was like, you know, hey, you know, I don't have no money, but you know, I got a lot of love. And he also told her, he say, you know, my clothes might be dirty. He say, but my soul is clean. He say, yeah, my teeth might be yellow, but my blood is red. He even told her, he said, my pecker might not be that big, but my tongue is long. Because, you know, he, you know, gave her a real long conversation. Y'all gonna think nasty anyway. Ask somebody. Okay, here we go. The first thing I done, I went on and chopped my sausages up. Go and get it chopped and diced up. And then you go ahead and get your onions. And then you go get your green onions and your jalapenos. Go and get that chopped up. And now, what you want to do with your bacon, you want to go ahead and lay your bacon in some pan. Set your oven for 350. Put your bacon in there. And we're going to brown that there. And come back, I'll show you what to do next. Okay, now, we got our flour. About a cup of flour and a little bit less than a cup of cornmeal. And you see, I took my bacon grease and I kind of got it chill. And you want to combine that together. We're going to stir that and combine it real good. And then you want to slowly, after you get this combined, we're going to add in some cold water. Really slow, because you want this here to make a pie crust. So I'm going to get this stirred up. I'm going to start adding my cold water. Just trying to give you a little bit more step by step. Ask somebody. Okay, now you see, I got the dough at the right consistency I wanted. That's why I wanted that. Now, I sprinkle me a little jalapenos. I'm gonna bake some jalapenos off into this crust. Now, I sprinkle me a little flour on this thing, and I got my rolling pin. Now, you wanna go ahead and you roll it out, and you shape it into your pan. And I'll show you how they look when I come back. Okay, there you go. You see, I got it out flat. Now, I'm finna start shaping it. Now, before you put it in your pan, you also wanna make sure you spray your pan down. Spray your pan real good. You don't want nothing to stick. Now, start shaping your dough. Okay, there we go. Now, see there? I got my bacon brown. Now, what you want to do, I'm going to go ahead and brown my ground meat and sausage. I ain't going to add any seasoning, anything right now. I'm going to go ahead, on this one here, I'm going to go ahead and brown it. Because he always brown it with his sausage. I got that now, I'm going to go ahead and brown that and stir it up. And as you can see, I got my pie crust made. You can see the jalapenos in it. And it's already ready. Just take your time, spread it out, get your pie crust made. I'll come back and show you the seasoning when I get ready to add it. Oh, there we go, cooking gentlemen. Hey, man, this spicy meat pie is coming out good now. Now, come here, let me show you this here. Check this out here. Now, that's when you want to go ahead and start sauteing your vegetables. Now, that's the green onions. That's my white onions. I'm gonna cut this up a little bit, and that's my jalapenos right here. Now, I'm gonna get them there, saute it up. Now, what I'm gonna do, see, that's my ground meat. I didn't brown this all the way. It's almost brown, but I left a little pink in it because I'm gonna go and brown it now. And that's for my sausage. You want to strain it. So now we know it's strained. Now, on this here, this is all my seasonings. This is my cayenne, my oregano season, my red pepper, and my salt. And I'm finna put that in there right now. And you can adjust it as you want. I'm just thinking about how much I'm gonna use. I might still adjust more. So that's why I hate doing videos live, because like I say, I know how to do this stuff. Well, I ain't live, but you know what I'm talking about. Hey, do it. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and get this here stirred in. I'm gonna keep tasting because you might have to add more. Now, come over here, and you also want to spray your pan too. When I put the vegetables down, I did spray with olive oil. Now, I got that going. Now, you can take your corn and your kidney beans and go ahead and drain the water out of them. Go and get the water out of them. I'm gonna drain these here after this here video here, this here part over. I'm gonna drain the water because I'm gonna add that to that once I get that done. Then, now, I know you said I use dry mustard. Now, the dry mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and the milk, that's gonna go into the cheese, and that's gonna be for the topping. So I'm not gonna use that there now. And then later on, as soon as this here get brown, I'm gonna add my tomato sauce. Man, we finna do it, boy. It's gonna be done big. I'm trying to go step by step. I hope I'm not going a little too fast for y'all. If I am, y'all leave in the comments. I'll slow it down a little bit, but filming these videos just get me excited, you know what I'm saying? Because my grandfather gave me this recipe, you know, he always told me a tongue is more than just a talk with. You can use your tongue, you can eat with it, you can taste with it, y'all, ask somebody. Okay, now we're getting it down, you know what I'm saying? Now, you know what I'm saying? I'm steady adding my chili powder, and I'm steady, you know, tasting it, making sure it's right. You gotta steady, make sure you taste it, make sure you got enough salt with everything you want in it. If you don't want it too hot, don't use that much pepper. You want it hot, add more. Now, this time here, I'm finna start adding, there we go, my tomato sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time and stir it. You don't want it too soupy, but you don't want it too thick either. So, just kind of get that consistency. And man, this you talking about, it's gonna be good. Alrighty, now, stay tuned for the next segment. I'm gonna start on the cheese. Let me show you what to do on that. All right, there we go. See there? Now, I already got one I made. Now, you know, when you get your corn and you get your beans, you know, strained, you want to go ahead and add them beans and corn to it. And then later on, I'm going to put it in the pie pan. Because I'm making multiple ones, that's why I got just a little left. I already made a few of them. So, you know, don't forget to add your beans and your corn. And this is coming later. And that's coming later. Welcome to Cook Gentlemen. Hey, we're shooting video this day, and the one part got kind of messed up on the deleting footage, so I didn't really show you how to do the cheese. So this is kind of gonna be a segment I add in, because I'm kind of glad I watched my videos and make sure the quality is good. But come in, let me show you how you do the cheese. Anyway, now I already recorded the part, but you grind. I got to see how I grated my cheese. And I added this cheese to it in the bowl. When you put the cheese in the bowl, you want to go ahead and add you about a half a teaspoon of your dry mustard, your Worcestershire sauce, and see the milk was full, so about right there, and one egg. So just a little milk and one egg, and I put it in the bowl, and you mix it up. And that's what I topped it with. I added all this here to my cheese. So I just want y'all to know that there. I watch these for the quality, man, you know. So good, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna tell y'all tell me to ask somebody. Yeah, cause I do. I messed up. Okay, there we go. Now see, we got it all mixed in the pie pan. And we got our cheese thing ready yet, and we got our bacon ready. But we're gonna save the bacon and the cheese for later. But right now, we're gonna bake this here. Like I said, about 35, 40 minutes. Just gonna put it off in there like that and let it go. I'll be back to show you. Okay, there we go. And see there, it done baked about 40 minutes. You can see the steam coming off. Now I'm finna add my cheese topping to it. Cooking gentlemen, hey, come on. Let's go ahead and do this here. Now check it out. Now, I got the cheese topping on top. Yeah, you mix everything I told you. Now, the only thing you gotta do now is just the cheese melt. And it's gonna be bubbly. And I got the bacon on the top, got cheese Got my jalapenos on there. Let's put it in the oven. There we go. And let it set, boy. It's gonna be beautiful. Man, it's gonna be gorgeous. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be generous. It's gonna be good. I'm getting tongue-tied. Tongue. Oh, see, there y'all go with their grandfathers. Ask somebody. Conclusion to Cooking General video. Hey, man, this is the first of many I got coming out. Now, we got a new year coming. Man, and it smells so good here. And I made multiple of these here. Now, come and check it out here. Boy, look at that. My grandfather wasn't lying when he made that there. Look at that. Now, you got your jalapenos, your bacon, all your cheese to melt it. Man, you cut it. Oh, man, it's so, man, I want to, ooh. I want to taste it so bad, but I'm just going to leave them whole because I got people coming over there, and I want to leave them all whole. I want them all to experience the whole thing. But, man, my grandfather, I know.
Whoa, Cooking General, bring that tongue in. Bring it, man.
Ask somebody.